Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with clean, dry hair and a heat protectant. This prevents damage while allowing the titanium to glide. Once done, choose a barrel size. 1 for loose waves, 3/4 for tighter curls, and set 300-365 degrees F based on density. Take a 1 vertical subsection, clamp near the root without pulling, and wrap hair around the barrel away from your face. Make sure to keep tension consistent so the titanium heats evenly. This helps form a smooth, lasting curl right from. You rotate the barrel fully and count 8-12 seconds, shorter for fine hair, longer for thick hair, so the titanium transfers heat through the strand without overcooking. Once the time is up, release the clamp and let the curl fall into your palm for a 3-5 second cool hold. This sets the shape. Make sure to alternate wrapping directions every other section to create natural volume and avoid a uniform pattern. Alternating prevents flatness and hides part lines for a salon finish. You cool every curl fully before touching. Cooling locks the shape, so avoid rushing. Once cooled, gently separate curls with fingers or a wide-tooth comb, then apply a light hold spray and a small amount of serum to enhance shine without weighing hair down. Make sure to check the roots for blended volume and smooth any frizz with a drop of serum. If a curl drops or looks limp, rewrap that section for 4-6 seconds on a slightly lower temp and cool it in your palm to reset the curl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.